This isn't just a soup, it is tradition, flavor, and fire in the pot. If you have never tasted banga soup made from the real palm kernel, get ready. You are about to witness the magic. Today, I'm taking you step by step how to make authentic banga soup and starch. Rich, bold, and unforgettable. We begin with the start of the show. Raw palm kernels, I gave them a good boil until they were soft enough to raise their oil. Then came the real work, pounding them in a mortar to break the fibers and extract the golden richness we love. This step might take effort, but it is where the magic begins. After pounding, I added warm water and squeezed out the rich extract. No shortcut here. I strained it thoroughly to get a smooth puree banga base. It is time to turn extract into gold. I poured the juice into a pot and brought it to boil. Then I added smoked fish, well-seasoned assorted meat, crayfish, and of course my banga spices. That is what gives it natural aroma. I also dropped seasoning cube and a touch of salt. Then I let everything simmer. Don't forget that I added my banga stick. The oil floated on the top. That is when you know it is ready. While the soup was bubbling, I made the starch. I stirred continuously over medium heat until it turns glossy, stretchy, and lump-free. The perfect partner for scooping up that thick, juicy and there you have it, thick, flavorful banga soup. Serve hot with soft, stretchy starch. Every bite tastes like home, like culture, like comfort. This speaks louder than words. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe or follow button, and share it with someone who loves good food. Have you made banga soup before? Drop your tip and twist in the comments. Let's learn from each other. Thank you for watching. I will love it if you can encourage my work by giving this a thumbs up. Don't forget to join this cooking channel because there are more even after this. My name is Chef Nisi. See you in the next video. Love you all. Bye.